Yo, what is up, boys? My name is Aiden, and welcome back to yet another Ghost of Yotei video. In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can use Onryo's Howl quick and easy. Before we get in this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point with this guide you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, you'll actually unlock this pretty early in the game during the mission for the Shadow Inn. Just simply head into your growth skill tree, go to Revenge, and you'll actually unlock Onryo's Howl. Now, Onryo's Howl terrifies nearby enemies, forcing some to flee. To actually activate it though, you will need a 5 kill streak without taking any damage. Every 5 kills, part of the spirit meter in the bottom corner is going to rise up, and when that bar is full, press L3 and R3 together to unleash that howl. If you get hit before that, your streak is going to reset. Now, this move is absolutely great for crowd control. Enemies are going to panic and stop fighting back, giving you the upper hand in fights. Just remember, don't take any damage while charging it. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. If this guide did help you out though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content. More content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.